So this is the job. As you can see, the top sash meeting rail is rotten all the way through. That's actually sagging through. You probably can't see it on the film, but that's what's happening. So what we're going to do is we're going to dismantle the window, take the sash out and take it back to the workshop and put a new meeting rail in. If anybody ever asks me why I hate plastic, they've used what is the equivalent of plastic parting staff beads, and when you try to take them out, that is what happens. Crap, absolute crap. So now we've taken the top sash out, we've boarded it up for overnight. It's only for tonight. The bottom sash was fine. The parting beads and the staff beads are total and utter rubbish. Never buy plastic beading. So we've got the sash up on top sash up on the bench, and I think that's beyond saving. I think we can safely say that that was quite rotten. Now once we get the glass out, we can rebuild the sash. We were so close, yet so far. So unfortunately it means that there's all new glass got to go in there. I was going to try and save it, but the gods were against us. This is one of those jobs that just keep giving. As soon as we broke the putty away, we were faced with a hole on that one. That one we can rescue. That one is all over the place. And that one we'll be able to rescue. So the two centre mountings we may well make new. So after a talk with the client, we've come to the right decision that this one needs to be consigned to history, and we'll use it as a template to make a new one. Sometimes you've just got to give up, and this is one of those times.